guys, this is Deep in the Money, and I'm going to do a technical analysis on Tesla stock. Before I begin, I would just like to say that this is purely for entertainment and trade at your own risk, because these are just my opinions, and you should do your own research before you purchase any stocks. This is my first stream. I'm probably going to keep it fairly short and just see how this works. Hopefully you guys can leave comments, and I'd greatly appreciate it to see like what I can do better, and any stocks that you'd like me to review. So thank you in advance. So I'm looking at Tesla stock, and it's up a little over 4%, which is amazing. And as expected, it is going to shoot up today, and I'd say all this week. So it has a good chance of reaching 700 plus, I'd say, because of this momentum and the volume that it's being traded at. So we see that 650 will be that ceiling that it'll try to hit, hopefully today. We don't know. I think it won't hit it today, but it will in the after hours. So something like this, I believe, for today. Sorry if that's not great. Maybe by the end of the day we can get 645. It all depends though, because once we're in this area, I believe that it will just shoot up something like this. So I'm looking at it now. It all depends on when that next push is going to be, but right now we should just see it hovering. It's going to go up and down, but we're going to see it going up mostly. It'll be very interesting to see what happens around that like 447, 450 mark, because from there it should take off, I believe. We'll just have to wait and see. After it reaches this peak, I think that there's not much upside for the near future. I believe that it will come back down, and it might look something like this, like a steep drop. And from when I saw it last, something like that. Not exactly. I'll draw those better later, but it should consolidate back around 500 possibly. But then we should see it shoot up later. So if you're thinking about buying anywhere in here. I would just say don't expect it to be that price for probably a year again, but we don't know. Tesla has been moving a lot, and you could, but I would probably say that it's not too late to get in. You can probably get in somewhere over here, but by the time it reaches maybe 650, I would say it's too late, in my opinion, of course. If you really want to get on that run before it shoots all the way up, 700 maybe plus. So right now we're looking at over 4% still. It's looking good. Still good volume. And my advice would be look at the news to see if there are any articles coming out, because you know, Elon can say anything, and it could either tank the stock or shoot it up again. I did hear that they're shutting down 2 of their car lines. They're going to be focused more on their newer models to try to get them out quicker. I think it was the Model X, the Roadster. They were only bringing in 11%, and so he's paying his employees for the week off, but then encourages them to either volunteer or help out and find work at the other factories making the other cars. The fourth quarter is phenomenal for Tesla. I do not expect the first quarter to be as great, but they're really trying. They're one second, sorry. They're really trying to get these cars out, and hopefully everything works out for them. It's looking good right now. Okay, so that is just a rough draft of the analysis. If there's anything I left out, I will add it later into the video. But let me just see how this is going. Stop signal.